Pre, kala nyo kayo lang mag-airplane ha. Mag-airplane na rin kami pre. Each airplane is going. Each airplane. Yes. Maybe this time I'll speak the words of light with a fire in my eyes. But I know familiar fears spinning up my world. What am I so afraid of? 'Cause here I go again. I'm talking about the rain and moving all the things. I want it last the day, just a sipping out the truth. 'Cause I'm not a friend. This will be my last chance. Tell you that you love me, but here I go again. This is our last day. Alright. Bye-bye, Balisin. Yes. Tahimik. Tayo. Landing ang drop. Eric. Hirap. Unit. Try natin. Trail. Hindi ba? Let's go. Pero hindi natin pupuntahan pa. Sirena dyan. So,
哪里可以看得到？
摸它身上啊，都是感觉汗水。哇，它这个屁股太性感了，哈哈。Billy，come on，Billy。
Billy.
Hi.
Alright.
You guys away.
You look na. You look in the next one.
Come on, follow us.
It's baby. Don't worry. Big one. No, it's big. Yeah.
It's a horse. The horse following us. You're always there when there's no getting stronger. That rainbow when the smallest things come true. Can't say what that last, but I want last. Yeah. Guys, welcome. Bago tayong laro. I think mga batang 80s and 90s alam yung larong to. Labanan ng kabibe. Labanan ng kabibe. Yan, yan. Yan. Kung saan maghahanap ng mga kabibe. Yan, dito sa Pangpang. Yan, sa dagat. Yan, napakaganda rito. Tapos mga batang 90s dyan, hanap sila ng pinakamaganda. Pwede mo. Ito sa kalaban. Oh, yan. Ito, deep lang. Hindi nabasag. Matibay. Ngayon, turn naman ng kalaban. Kaya naman natitira. Parehas na matibay. Minsan pag hindi nababasag, naghanap pa ng mas malaking ato. Yan ito. Yan. Ito na lang bilang matigray. Yan. Ganito siya. Did you see that? Durog. Diba? Ganun lang. Tapos pag laban-laban, hanggang mahal po siya nakatapat niya. Yan. Oo. Minsan yan, kagaya niya. No? Ito yung depensa. Ito yung opensa. Pero yung opensa yung nabasag. Yan. So, minsan sobrang kabaya. Nakakanap ng mga malaki talaga. Malaki nga yan. Basag talaga ito. Pag ginanya niya. Oo. Tibay. Yan. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Let's get in the moon. Enjoy the peaceful and enjoy the journey. Uy! What a beach! Beach and a crow. Woo! Yeah! Here! Come on! We are here in Balasee Beach. Yeah. You're almost there when there's no getting low. Bye-bye! On this house location, you will see the sand and the beauty. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take good morning, yesterday. You wake up and then you sleep away. It may not be the memories of yesterday. The weather We'll be together the time of it. Yesterday you wake up and this. Oh, I hear the pitch in the crow, but you know I staying here beside you.
What do you call it?
Birdie is falling. Na tropa. May makakapanayam tayo rito. Bago nating kaibigan. Si Horsey, the Horsey. Wait. Horsey. Kamusta ang iyong pamumuhay bilang isang kabayo? Naaway ka ba? Kasi masama ang loob nito. Yan. Hoy, pre. Pre. Usap naman tayo, pre. Diba ikaw ang isang kabayo? Op. Wah. It's good. Very good, Horsey. Mabait po to. Yun lang. Gusto ko siya sakyan kaso suplado. Maya na. Ay, may kito sa likod ko. Yun. Nandun ang mga yoto. Diba? Hoy. Ito. Oh ha. Last run. See you, Horsey. Ang pangalan, sir?
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane. Mary Jane ng aking kabayo, babae. Pero pag babae, di ba mas malaki dapat, no?
Oo.
Ay, bagay, bata pa yata.
2 taon pa lang po.
Waiting for Mary Jane. Andun ang mga amo natin, nahuli na tayo. Kailangan natin nabulin sila. Bye-bye.
Barker Creek, yung pinakamalaki namin kabayo.
Video.
Yes. Yay. Oh.
Smile, B. Alright, boss. Good.
Very good,
Very good.
Very good, Billy. Very good. Thank you.
Hi, Aban, here. From here to the room. When you wake up this morning and you feel like all day, I'll be there for you. When the wind is slow and you feel like only, I'll be there for you. And it's me, I'll be there to guide you. Don't wanna let you go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Sarap. I'll be there. Mimi! Good morning. Yes, today you wake up and then you sleep away. Together, we'll be together. The time of your life. Would you tell me if I told you that of your love? Won't you break free? Won't you break free? Please love. Guys, ganda dito. Di beach sementado Ayun, puro ibon dun. Parang abandonadong beach itong napuntahan ko. Sementado ang daming basura. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako Nang-hunting lang naman ako ng crab. Saan ako nakarating? Ay, naku. Diyos mio. Alright. Guys, ganda dito. Di beach sementado Ayun, puro ibon dun. Parang abandonadong beach itong napuntahan ko. Sementado ang daming basura. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako Nang-hunting lang naman ako ng crab. Saan ako nakarating? Ay, naku. Diyos mio. Alright. Okay, so ganda. Parang mansion. Okay, try natin puntahan. Kalam kung dead end to Ikutan lang natin. Pwede naman siguro ikutan to Alright, please yo. Ito tayo sa mansion ng mosque. Iikot. Okay, kiraan lang po. Wow, beautiful. See? Paradise. What the paradise mean? Visio. Ang hunting pa rin tayo ng alimango. Siguro maganda kung babalik na tayo. Ay, ganda. Parang pang European yung lugar dito, pang Greece. Yun lang, bye-bye. Let's get in the moon and enjoy the joy life. Here at the Greece, it's a beautiful ride, yeah man, beautiful one. Here, look, we are here in the Greece. Yeah, go inside. Very good. Yes. Here the trees. Okay. Bye bye. Here goes. Like a goose. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Here are how to drive the Cospa. Yeah, we are in the vacation here in Balici. Look at the farm. Alright, young man. On the road. It's sand. Like Boracay, huh? Okay. Pretty good, huh? Yeah. Woo. Enjoy vacation. I love Balici. Woo. The house, it's a rest house. Here, any big house. Yan, mga toto. Yan, parang tayong dadaan sa lugar ng mga Jurassic Park. Yan, yan nyo. Alright. Nice thing, no? Whoop, balit eh. Ha? Diba? Maganda, mga kapatid. Kaya, saan ka na? Punta na dito sa Balici. Here you enjoy life with the fullest. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Come through. I hear the music in the sound, and you in a while. Shine, shine, running through. Peace out. Yeah. Happy driving, happy golf cart, happy vacation here in Balici. Balici, don't forget to like and share. Hanggang sa susunod, thanks for my liking this video. Bye-bye. Beautiful house. Right. Yeah. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Yes. Welcome. Dito po kami ngayon sa Balici. As you can see, yan. Nag-golf cart po tayo. Yan. Tayo po ay nag-robing. Gagala. Enjoy. Enjoy vacation here in Balici. Alright. You see? Many rest house. Look at the road sign. It's so nice and so good. So nice and so good here. Yeah. We want to be place to hear. Yeah. Barring. Take me home. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Balici home, here in the Balici home we are going here. Taking the vacation where the people want to be. Take me home, take me home, Balici. Yan, hindi natin sila mahabol. Alright, dito ko na tatapusin ang vlog ko. Subscribe, alright. Balici, take me home, Balici, I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Hi mga kuys, dito ako sa aking kwarto. Ito ang kwarto ko dito sa Balici. Yan, with own TV, 2 CR. Okay, ngayon labas tayo, view natin guys. There, the view. Woo. Wow, beach and the swimming pool. Many garden there. Okay, you see? So beautiful, relaxing, unwind. Woo! I love Balici! Balici! Yeah! Yun lang.
你走啊，不要追我呀！ 好的。
Go, we race!
Oh, sorry, we're number 1 na. Có phải đây rồi? Có phải đây rồi?
Flying is falling, is flying, and the airplane is.
你这样过来，你不用
我知道，我要给他们要帮我。
Go now, airplane. Go now.
Airplane.